Once again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to the Grand Ballroom of the Grand Hyatt Singapore for the Muis 50 Lecture 2018. Let us welcome our distinguished speaker, Shaykh Hamza Yusuf, accompanied by Minister Mas Agus, Minister Grace Fu, Haji Muhammad Alami Musa, Haji Abdul Razak Marika, and the Mufti of the Republic of Singapore, Dr. Muhammad Fatris Bakaram. This conference, in partnership with the Forum for Promoting Peace in Muslim Societies, aims to contribute a significant voice for continued interreligious cooperation in harnessing the positive role of religion, as well as celebrate the milestones of the Singapore Muslim community as part of Muis's 50th anniversary.
We are indeed honored to have Shaykh Hamza Yusuf to speak about Islam's universal values for humanity. Shaykh Hamza, as you all know, is often sought for his counsel and expertise in Islamic thought and reform in the world. Shaykh Hamza is also known for his firm commitment to peace through dialogue and positive contributions to humanity.
So it is my great honor and great privilege to invite to the rostrum Shaykh Hamza Yusuf to deliver the Muis 50 lecture. Shaykh Hamza, please.
One of the things that the Quran says is that God created the heavens and the earth لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ أَيُّكُمْ أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا. He created you to try you. The tribulation is part of the purpose of life on earth. That suffering is part of life on earth. Mental anguish, all of these things. Why? According to our tradition, because this is where we grow from. This is how we grow from. We grow through struggle. We grow through resistance. If you want to build muscles, you have to have resistance. If you want to build your soul, you have to have resistance. يَرْحَمُهُمَ الرَّحْمَنُ إِرْحَمْ مَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ يَرْحَمْكُمْ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاءِ. Those who show mercy, the merciful will show mercy to them. Have mercy to everyone, and God will have mercy to you.
If you look at the contemporary wave of terrorism, extremism and exclusivism, it is unprecedented. What is your solution in terms of what can people do, leaders like you and others do to stem this tide of violence?
There's a lot of injustice in the world, and if you don't have a spiritual compass to deal with injustice, very often you're going to lash out and react in ways. So I think that's one of the major problems that we're dealing with, is the technology has empowered a lot of these groups, and there is a lot of anger, but anger is not a rung on the spiritual ladder. It's actually overcoming one's anger and seeing the wisdom in all these things.
How do you encourage deeper reflection? Because if you're talking about maturing of the soul, then how do we get people to do reflection? Because that's the only way that change can come about.
Pascal said all the world's problems are from the inability of people to sit alone with themselves in a room. And there's a lot of truth to that. Now we go into malls and the entire thing is artificial. This whole room, it's all abstract, artificial human creation, made from materials that God created, but not the beauty that we see when we go out just in nature. So that's one of the most important ways to cultivate reflection. But also, all of our traditions have some forms of meditation, which is very important. Just being alone with yourself and stilling the soul.
Please join me to thank Shaykh Hamza Yusuf.